Okay, the next question. Boy of mass 40 kg climbs up the stairs and reaches the roof at height 8 meters in 5 seconds. Calculate the force of gravity acting on the boy. And second one, work done by him against the force of gravity. And third one, power spent by the boy. Now, very important things, we have to write the given things from the question. And from the given things, we'll understand which formula we have to apply. So, solution. So, let us write the given things. They have given a boy of mass 40 kg. So, this 40 kg is nothing but mass. This is nothing but mass, 40 kg. Climbs up the stairs and reaches the roof at a height of 8 meters. So, height is nothing but a displacement, which is nothing but height, that is equal to 8 meters. Then time is equal to 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So first we will calculate what is force. Now force is what is the formula of force? Mass into acceleration due to gravity. What is mass? 40, and acceleration due to gravity they have mentioned, that is 10. So answer is 400 Newton. So SI unit of force is Newton, or you can write kg meter per second square. Second one, work done by him against the force of gravity. So work done is equal to force into displacement into cos theta, correct? So what is force? 400. What is displacement? 8 meters into cos 0 degree. V is going against gravity. So that is equal to 4 into 8, 3200, into cos 0 is 1. So answer is 3200 joules. This is work done. Third formula is power. They asked power spent by the boy. Power formula is work done upon time, because rate of doing work is called power, we have discussed. What is work done? 3200. What is the time taken? 5 seconds. There is 5 seconds, we have written given things. So what is the answer? 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, 0. So it is work done is joules upon second, so it is joules per second, or you can write 640 watt, because 1 joule per second is 1 watt.